Are you ready to take control of your financial future and earn money while you sleep? In this highly informative and inspiring video, we present you with 7 incredible passive income business ideas for 2023. These carefully selected strategies have the potential to generate consistent cash flow, allowing you to escape the traditional 9-to-5 grind and enjoy a life of freedom and abundance. Join us as we explore a diverse range of passive income opportunities. From creating and monetizing online content through platforms like YouTube and blogging, to building and selling digital products, we'll show you how to leverage the power of the internet to generate passive income streams. But that's not all. We'll also dive into the world of e-commerce, where you can set up automated online stores and dropshipping businesses. Additionally, we'll explore the potential of investing in dividend stocks and peer-to-peer lending platforms, where your money works for you, earning you passive income. Furthermore, we'll discuss the advantages of rental properties and real estate investments, showcasing how you can earn passive income through property ownership and management. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an experienced investor, this video is a goldmine of valuable information and practical insights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to learn about these 7 passive income business ideas for 2023 and start building your financial independence today. 1. Affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs of companies in your niche and promote their products or services through various channels such as your website, blog, social media platforms, or email newsletters. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. To succeed in affiliate marketing, focus on creating valuable content, building trust with your audience, and strategically placing affiliate links to maximize conversions. 2. Digital product sales. Create and sell digital products that cater to a specific audience's needs. Examples include ebooks, online courses, templates, stock photos, or software. You can leverage platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Teachable, Gumroad, or Shopify to host and sell your digital products. Invest time in creating high-quality content and marketing your products to reach potential customers. 3. E-commerce and dropshipping. Start an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce and partner with suppliers who offer dropshipping services. Select products, set competitive prices, and market your store to attract customers. When a customer places an order, the supplier handles packaging and shipping directly to the customer. This allows you to focus on marketing and growing your store without the hassle of inventory management. 4. Dividend investing. Research and invest in dividend-paying stocks or dividend-focused exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Look for established companies with a history of consistent dividend payments. As a shareholder, you receive regular dividend payouts, usually on a quarterly basis. Reinvesting dividends can accelerate your returns through the power of compounding. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Join peer-to-peer lending platforms that connect borrowers with lenders. Evaluate borrowers' profiles and risk ratings to select loans that align with your risk tolerance. Lend a portion of your capital to borrowers and earn interest on the repayments. P2P lending platforms facilitate loan servicing, making it easier to earn passive income from interest payments. 6. Rental properties. Invest in residential or commercial properties and generate passive income through rental payments. Conduct thorough research on real estate markets, rental demand, and potential rental income. Consider hiring a property management company to handle tenant screening, rent collection, and maintenance, making it a more hands-off investment. 7. Intellectual property licensing. Create original intellectual property, such as music compositions, artwork, books, or inventions. License your creations to individuals or businesses that wish to use or distribute them. Utilize platforms specific to your intellectual property, such as music licensing libraries, stock photo agencies, or patent licensing networks. Earn royalties each time your intellectual property is used, sold, or licensed to others. Remember, passive income businesses may require upfront investment, time, and effort to set up. It's crucial to conduct thorough research, develop a solid business plan, and continuously optimize your strategies to maximize your passive income potential. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, smash the like button and comment for more great content.